Hey everyone, ever wanted to record your laptop screen with both video and audio, whether it's for tutorials, gaming, or online classes? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick and complete 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, using just your Windows laptop. No extra software needed. Alright, let's dive in. First, on your keyboard, press Windows plus Shift plus R. This will instantly open up the built-in recording bar on your screen. From here, you'll see an option to select the part of the screen you want to record. You can choose the full screen or a specific window. Once you've selected your area, simply click the Start Recording button. And that's it. Your screen recording begins. Now, here's something important. If you want your voice recorded, maybe for commentary or explanation, make sure your microphone is turned on in the recording toolbar. But if you only want to capture system sound like music, game audio, or a video sound, then turn off your microphone and switch on the system audio option. This ensures clean, direct sound from your laptop. When you're done recording, click the Stop Recording button. Your video will automatically save inside your Captures folder. You'll find that in your Videos directory. Want to trim or polish the clip? No worries. Windows has that covered too. Open your recorded video, and at the top right corner, click on Edit with Clipchamp or use the built-in Photos app. From there, you can trim, cut, and make quick edits before sharing it anywhere you like. And that's all it takes. You've just learned how to record your laptop screen with both video and audio in just a few clicks. Simple, quick, and perfect for 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring and creating amazing content. And I'll see you in the next one.